future world travelers, quick question for you all. Imagine you are packed and ready to start your study abroad journey. But wait, are you really prepared? Let's do a quick mental check together. How confident are you that you are not about to make any huge mistakes as an international student? Be honest. If you are planning to study abroad, or even if you are just dreaming about it, you have probably heard all the exciting parts, making new friends, exploring new cultures, and gaining that global experience. But, let's get real for a second. There are a few mistakes that a lot of international students make, especially when they are navigating a whole new country for the first time. Some of these slip-ups can be pretty minor, but others, they can really impact your experience, your budget, and even your career plans. So, here's what we are going to do today. I am about to walk you through the 5 biggest mistakes that international students make. But here's the twist. As I go through each one, I want you to play along. For each mistake, ask yourself, am I ready to avoid this one? If you are confident, you have got it covered. Give yourself a point. By the end, let's see how many points you scored and if you are all set to make the most of your time abroad. Grab a pen and a paper or just keep track in your head. This is going to be fun and super useful. Let's dive into it. Mistake 1. Ignoring local language and culture. Mistake number 1, and this is one huge one, is ignoring the local language and culture. Look, I get it. In a lot of countries, especially in Europe, people speak English well, but expecting everyone to understand English or assuming English alone will get you by isn't realistic. Plus, you will miss out on so much if you stick to your language. How to avoid it? Start with the basics even before you land. Download language apps like Duolingo or Babbel to learn common phrases, or join a language class if you can. Knowing how to greet someone, order food, or even say thank you in the local language can make a world of difference. Plus, locals love it when you make an effort. It can open doors to friendships and cultural experiences you wouldn't have otherwise. So, are you prepared with a few phrases? If yes, give yourself a point because you are on your way to blending in like a pro. Mistake 2. Not budgeting properly. Now, mistake number 2 is not budgeting properly. I know, budgeting isn't the most exciting part of studying abroad, but it's crucial. Living expenses can vary widely depending on your country and city. And if you don't have a plan, you might find yourself dipping into that emergency fund too early. How to avoid it? Start by researching the average costs in your city and create a budget that breaks down essentials like rent, food, transportation, and even fun. And don't forget about those unexpected expenses, health insurance, textbooks, or extra travel. Using apps like Mint, YNAB, or even Google Sheets can really help you track and stay on top of your spending. So, if you have thought about budgeting and have a plan, go ahead and give yourself a point. Mistake number 3. Only sticking with other international students. Mistake number 3 is sticking with only the other international students. Look, I know it's comfortable, and having a community of people who are going through the same experiences as you is quite important. But if you only hang out with fellow international students, you are missing a huge part of the cultural experience. So, how to avoid it? Push yourself to get out there and meet locals. Join student clubs, attend local events, or even volunteer. One great way to do this is through language exchange programs where you can practice the local language and in return teach someone else yours. Not only do you improve your language skills, but you will also create real connections and a more immersive experience. Ready to step out of your comfort zone and meet new people? Give yourself a point if you are planning to do so. Mistake number 4. Not taking advantage of university resources. Okay, now the mistake number 4 is all about not taking advantage of university resources. This one's so common. Universities, especially in Europe, offers tons of support for international students. Academic tutoring, career counseling, mental health services, and even social clubs. These are all included in your tuition, so make the most of them. Well, how to avoid it? Take some time to explore what's available to you. Even if you don't think you need help now, it's good to know what's out there. Visit your camps, resource centers, join student organizations, and don't hesitate to ask for academic help if you need it. So, are you planning to make use of your campus resources? If yes, mark down another point for yourself. Now comes mistake number 5, waiting until the last minute to plan for post-graduation. And finally, mistake number 5 is all about wasting your time to plan what happens after graduation. Whether you want to stay and work in your host country or return home with some impressive experience on your resume, you will need to start planning early. Otherwise, you might find yourself scrambling at the last minute. So, how to avoid it? Get involved with career services, start networking on LinkedIn, and if possible, get some work experience through internships or part-time jobs. Look up the post-study work visa requirements for your country of study now, so you are not caught off guard later. If you are prepared to hit the ground running after graduation, go ahead and give yourself that final point. Now, that's it. Our top 5 mistakes to avoid as an international student. So, how many points did you score? If you got all 5, you are on track to have an amazing and successful experience abroad. And if you missed a few, no worries. Just consider this a guide to get you prepared even more. Remember, studying abroad is a huge opportunity, but it comes with its own challenges. The more prepared you are, the better you will be able to enjoy the journey. So tell me, which mistake surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments, and if you have other tips for avoiding these mistakes, share those too. And hey, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more tips to make the most of your international experience.